Quick video on how to do some valves using one of these. This is a 2012 YZ450 valve spring. Retainers. Make sure they go the right way. Thicker part on the top. Skinnier part on the bottom. Put them in there so they look like that. Take your tool, top and a bottom piece, stick it on like so. When you have it on, tighten it with your fingers, holding this piece together so that it doesn't spin on the spring. Tighten it down till the retainers move in to place. They're not going to actually be fully in place until you start to loosen the tool. Sometimes when you loosen it, they'll look like this. The retainers will be out of place. So in order to fix that, I take a regular socket, I stick it over top, and I push down on it. Push down and push down a few times. It should move it around, and eventually they'll go into place. After moving it around, that's what it should look like. Push up and down on it a few times to make sure it's really in there. Just like so. Make sure the retainers stayed how they should. And that's how you do your valves.